Welcome back. So I've been trying out all this concealer I own, and by trying out I mean a proper wear taste. I've been using this particular, all the concealers for 10 days, one concealer for 10 days and then different one. I've been wearing those concealers for 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, and basically to check what I like about this product, how it performs on my skin, and how it performs with different techniques and different products basically. So the point is, there are so many hyped up concealer in the market, and you might have bought one after your favorite YouTuber's recommendation, but sometimes those famous holy grail products seem to work for everyone on the internet but don't work for you. I know that happens. So what do you do if that happens? You find a way to make it work, right? After all, you have spent your hard-earned money on it. So the purpose of this video is to find a best way to use the particular product that you own. And if you already own that concealer and don't like this or like it, watch to find out if you can use it in any other way to suit your needs. And if you don't own any concealer that I'm going to talk about but looking for a recommendation, you may want to continue watching to see if this is the right fit for your personal issues. By personal issues, I mean hyperpigmentation, dark circles, stuff like that, not daddy issues.
Are you listening, girl?
Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I have these two shades here, and they said that this is a full coverage concealer. They have darker shades as well. The shade range is around 25 shades in the library, but currently only 15 available in India as of now. So I bought this two shades, and one is C15, one is C2. This concealer are for £4, and that would be around 319 Indian rupees, I guess. But in India this retails for 695 rupees, which is kind of expensive. And I'm saying expensive because these are the quantity is only 3.4 ml of the product. Plus I bought this from Revolution Beauty website. It is official Revolution website, so I ended up paying custom duty and stuff like that, so it was kind of expensive to me, and that was before it launched in Nika, by the way. Packaging is quite chic. The rose gold cap, it is nice, I like that. And it has this very big doe foot applicator, and the applicator is very similar to tarte shape tape concealer. This was actually said to be dupe for tarte shape tape concealer, and I think this is why some people don't end up liking it, because they compare it with tarte shape tape. But if you see it as an individual concealer, of it's a full coverage affordable drugstore concealer. It's just nice to have something like this in your vanity. I use it for multi-purpose. Formula of these are quite thick in consistency. It is very creamy, very thick. The concealer blends beautifully with sponge as well as brush. Most of the time concealer as thick is this don't blend properly with brush. It looks sticky and patchy, but this concealer blends very well with brush as well. And since it has this very thick consistency, it dries down to matte finish. It has because it's formula and my extremely dry under eyes, I don't necessarily use this product under my eyes to color correct or anything. Basically if I do, it will just crease. That creamy finish, once it dries, it becomes matte, and this is why this kind of product are best for layering. This one blends with any product you put on it. It could be any powder product, any cream product or liquid. It stays put, it doesn't move, and that is the reason I bought this darker shade after few months after using this one, because I just knew that it will be just perfect for contouring, especially the kind of contouring you do before you apply your foundation. You know how I feel like that is something everyone is doing nowadays, applying your contour first and then your foundation, which gives you very natural looking finish. This will do.